So we have about a minute left, maybe a little less. And while this is going on, you can be, oh, there we go. You could be mixing up your next flavor, getting it ready to get into the machine. So our timer just went off. If you look in here, you could see how it's almost done. It's got a good, decent amount of air in it. That's what the machine does, whipping air in. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut off our compressor and let the dasher run for, you know, a couple seconds to a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the RPMs up so we can really whip that air in there. And you don't want to whip too much air into it. So let's just check this. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, look at that smooth and creamy looking ice cream. And this is vegan. So that is, again, with a good vegan product and a good machine, you could get a really good substitute to a dairy product in your store. So it's important to have these options, especially nowadays. You're making your own ice cream now. You can put inclusions in here. You can make cookies and cream. You can do any flavor you want. We just simply did a vanilla today. But just like dairy, the opportunities are endless, of whatever your imagination calls for, as long as the ingredients are vegan as well. And then touching back on the quality of vegan and the variety of it, you can do a lot more flavors as well. Just like I said, the cookies and cream, there is definitely an option for vegan cookies. It is important, just like dairy, you don't want to like shove down, you don't want to push your air out. Just want to kind of just spread and just get it around the bucket. Alright, shut the dasher off. Get this out of here. Look how clean that is in there. Got all our product, all our profit into this bucket here. Just like that, we got our vegan ice cream. So now this will be ready to go in our blast freezer. And after that, we'll be ready to serve some ice cream. So there you go, vegan vanilla.